So today we will be drawing a square thread. Okay? So basically what you need to remember when drawing a square thread is that the whatever pitch you choose to draw, so let's assume that my pitch, the length will be 60 millimeters. Okay, so let's do 3 times. So 6, 3, 6, 12, 18. Okay, so if this is the length of the pitch, the height of the square will be half the pitch. So if this is 60, the height of the square should be 30, right? Okay, so let's start by drawing, making sure that we outline these. So that's the first pitch, second one, and third one. Okay, so we will start by drawing a normal helix from down here. So I'll divide the circle into 6, since it's a semicircle. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I will draw horizontal lines Okay, now it's important to divide the pitch into 12. 12. So since it's 60, 60 division by 12 would be 5 millimeter. Okay, if it was 70 or whatever, which I can't divide with the ruler, I would divide this line geometrically with the parallel lines. Anyways, so 60 division by 12 is 5 millimeters, so I can use the ruler. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. So that's the first part. I repeat this process on the whole line. Okay. So I marked the 5 millimeters on the line, and now I will draw vertical lines from each line. So I'll start from the first one and draw vertical lines for each marking. Once you've drawn the vertical lines, let's mark again the 3 turns first. So there's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. Okay, so what we'll do is, let's start from the bottom. Okay, so over here, that's the first part. Okay, and I'll always move 1 square. So it's here, 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 and here. So the first part of the thread would be this one over here. Yes. The second one, I can either start from here, going backwards, or I can check where this part is down here, which is this. Okay, so I'll start from here. And it should end up here. Okay, so I could have started from here, going backwards. Okay, yes. Now I repeat this on the second one here, so I will start again from here. Right? And for the whole 3 turns. Okay, so Now, once these are ready, I will start with the small circle. Now, this small circle represents the depth of the tooth. So since it's square thread, since it's a square thread, okay, if this part is 30, right, the vertical height would be, the other part of the square would be 30 as well. So what I will do is I will measure 3 centimeters from here. Okay, and I will repeat the process. So I will draw a circle. Okay, I will draw horizontal lines. And then I can start marking. Now, to mark, I will start from here, because this one is the first part of the large circle, so this should be the first part of the small circle, and I always move one bit. So this is the first part, right? Now this one will be hidden behind the these freehand. Okay, so I don't draw it unless I'm drawing the hidden line. Okay, but I will continue from up here, from this side now, going up. So here, here, and here. So that would be the second part. Okay, and I will repeat this on all three. So the first one will be here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's like this. And from the opposite side, 1, like this. Okay, another one from here. Okay, so that would be here, here, and on the opposite side, 1, 2, 3, over here. That's it. Okay, so now let's take the ruler and start marking this, this, and this, right? And if I want to continue this, okay? And at the bottom, I will mark the opposite way, right? So from here, I will mark this way now. So this, and this, okay? And this, okay? So if, so this is the shaft. Okay, now this as well. And the same goes for these. And now we can do the last part, which is this curve, which would be here and here, right? Here, 1, oops, no, here, 1, 2, right? And over here, I have to add 2 more lines. So these were 5 millimeter each. So that's 5 and 5. Vertical lines. Okay, and now I have these 2 points, 1, 2. Right? Okay, and the same goes from 4 down here. So this goes here and here, here and here. So you should start seeing the thread going around. Now if it's a square thread, okay, once it goes round, round and round over here, we should start seeing the, let's assume we will stopping the thread, okay, I should see a square over here. So what I will do is I will draw a line here, okay, and I'll draw a square over there with the same size of the thread, okay. So if it was 3 centimeters by 3, the square, I will draw a square of 3 by 3 here. So it's 3, right? And 3. This one goes this way and this way, right? Okay. And okay, so that's the square thread. Okay, over here it's a bit bumpy, right? That's a mistake. It should have been smoother. That's it. So that's a square thread. Hope you like it.